UDL load, a point load and reliability tests again. So this is, the first one is 600 mm UDL load, and the deflection is up to 5 mm, that is 10% deflection. Then point load of 500 kgs load on a 600 mm board. I know mm and meters and centimeters are all confusing for you all, but the boards that you are going around are 600 mm boards. So the reliability text on the right side corner, the last one, is for floorings. In the warehouses where we get our online orders, they all use warehouses. So in that, the flooring has been used with the AgroPanel flooring. That's a Forester product that we are talking. So the testing has been done for 25,000 cycles of 500 kg load. So that is the kind of testing that the board has undergone. So even after looking at all these testings, and still if you have any doubts or like you are not convinced, can the agrofiber become a building material? Will it really look so good like what I am talking? I will really show you some of the real-time applications. So this image that you are finding here has been used in the construction by one of our reputed customers. All the panels that you are seeing are all agrofiber and eco boards. So that is a real-time application, construction of a building happening there, ground floor. So this is the internal wall applications, and it is an ultra large size that we are speaking here, 4 meters height. So the one panel would be around 13 feet from here to that end. So you can see in comparison with the person standing in front of the panel. So it comes in various shapes, and these are laminated or pre-pressed within the factory facility itself. So this was the testing that I was referring to regarding the flooring, and this is a real-time application which has been used in the warehouses. So the European customers like Bestseller, the brands like Jake and John's, Vero Moda, they have used this product in their construction for replacing concrete slabs and getting value proposition, like how we have listened to previous speaker, Mr. Sudhir, sir had told us, value addition, value analysis. Do you really need value? Do you need steel in that place, or do you need a panel which is equally strength enough and giving it at a lesser price? So that is the value proposition that these customers have seen by using this material. So we have supplied over 2.5 lakh SFT material for this project, and it is a world sustainable construction using 100% agrofiber. So this is the ceiling of the classrooms that have been done in Sion College in Mumbai. And this is the artworks of the normal affordable housing designs that we collaborated with Tata, which includes a ceiling shop made of 100% agrofibers at affordable prices. So that I have given you enough proofs to validate that Forester works, and our agrofibers as building materials is a reality. So it has, by using them, we impact at local, national and global levels. So how much value is created for this agrofiber as a sustainable traditional building material? We will look into these answers in my next. So what is the impact that we are having here? We can see at rural employment and the rural economy. So India has the potential of converting 200 million tons of agro waste generated in farms each year to 133 million metric cube agro-composite panels per annum. That's equivalent value of USD 280 billion. This would offset current importing about 4 million metric cube of wood-based plywood or composite panels, which is equivalent to outflow of USD $1 billion of valuable foreign exchange. So if this is done, India will become the net exporter, help in reversing the climate change, save forests, and increasing the farmers' revenue. The figures or the sentence or the information I have shared right now is from PPT, the Plywood Institute of Research. From their papers, I have taken that source. So it is a valid source. And as I have shown you the applications or the value that is being created for the agrofibers, when it is given as a fodder or for the cattle, it is 200 per ton. But when it is converted into a building material, the farmer earns around 2,500 per ton. So that's a huge difference that we are seeing here. So how does it impact on a national level? So when it comes to smart cities, we have seen huts being used by agrofibers, but right now we are all smart, so we all live in big buildings. So when we want to comfort, but also have the comfort of the climate. So our alternate is here. So it saves foreign exchange. Then we are not wasting. Our agro waste is not being burned, but it is creating value. So it is in line with our motto of Swachh Bharat, and it creates a lot of local employment. And how it comes on the global level, it is a reversal of climate change. It is the biggest positive impact. Interestingly, as I showed in my first slide, it has a negative carbon emission. So it is a carbon sink in form of affordable housing. So the open source technology which is used to make it accessible in countries all over the world, we will be able to have carbon dioxide scrubbing, and it reverses the climate change. So that's the kind of global impact that the product can get in. So this is our projects in India and abroad. So EcoBoard has exported its fire-rated agro panels product EcoRack and EcoDeck to Gulf country in the last 6 months recently. So these are the various projects that we can see. So those are the panels that have been loading in the factory. That's the left side image. The right side is the warehouses, the online sales. And I would like to talk about this image particularly. This is installed and commissioned in IIT Bombay recently, last 3 weeks back. They have won the first prize was sustainability category from US Solar Decathlon. They have won this, and the competition is in international global level across countries. All the prestigious institutes have participated. So the board that you are seeing here is completely EcoBoard. The ground plus first floor they have built, the walls, the ceiling, the flooring, the partitioning, everything they have used EcoBoard. And the solar panels, and this is zero energy housing is the concept with which they have taken participated in this competition. So if you Google or search IIT Shunya 2023 or IIT Bombay US Solar Decathlon, you will find more details about this project. Or if you happen to be from Bombay, you can visit their campus. It is installed and they are open to explaining about it. There are videos also on this available online. And now the right side is again an image from the real-time warehouse. So the left side that we are seeing here is a hospital in Bangalore, where Infosys Foundation, as part of the CSR, has commissioned it for a government hospital. That is a government hospital. The walls, the wall partitioning is all from the agrofiber board. So the paneling that you are finding is all pre-laminated, and the cost, again the value is what added on to this project. And the right side is KGF. I am showing a KGF here. The Parliament set used in KGF by Ramoji Production Department, Ramoji Film City Production Department, is again our own board that has been used for the set. So this is one of the picture earlier to that. So these are few of the global brands that believe in our board here. So these are a few of the recent awards that the company has got. As the most social innovation award from Infosys, then Atal Innovation, the most popular innovation edition from Atal, and the US Solar Decathlon that I am referring to is the last, you can see. So these are the few of the appreciations that we received. Mr. Padma Vibhushan Dr. R.A. Mashelkar. He said a very good product helping environment by supporting farmers. Then we have Mrs. Sudhamurthy, Dr. Sudhamurthy at Aravind Social Innovations. She had seen through the product and evaluated it, and that's why she said a social innovation having positive impact in rural India. Next we have Mr. Director of IIT Bombay, Dr. Devan Vikan Khatar, who says creating value for agro residues by making quality building materials. I hope your company can grow and benefit many more. These are a few of many customer feedback that we received from Philips, LIC, Godrej, National Building Construction Limited. So here I would like to quote that a new era of farmers growing sustainable building materials and scrubbing carbon dioxide and saving earth resources has begun. So if I have time, you can just play the video. Do you have time? You do. So I just asking them to share a video to show you the process of how those fibers are converted and how value it is creating in a very small short video. And you can. And if you have seen the samples of the product, you can again give it back to Soumya, who is helping me here. Brings to the end of my session here. So I would like to thank each one of you for sparing your time and going through the possibilities that we can make with a sustainable organization or sustainable business. And I would like to quote here that the company falls under medium enterprise, the work that we are doing here. But I hope I have motivated quite a few people here so that this industry spreads in India and we are open to share our knowledge. These kind of industries crop up in our economy, which impacts a huge impact and for climate reversals. So here on record, I would like to thank Association of Indian Management Schools AIMS for giving me an opportunity for doing this conference. I would like to thank Mr. Surya Kumar for being part of the panel, and the change makers of tomorrow. That's what I'm addressing you as, because I need you to be the changers for tomorrow. Thank you.